What's up? What's up? What's going on, y'all? Welcome to another video of Hiking While Black. Yes, 2022. I'm back with my brother Cory.
Top of the morning, y'all. I'm back, baby. First hike of the year for me.
Yes, it is. So we here in New Jersey, Passaic County at the Hewitt. We're gonna do the Hewitt-Butler Trail in Northern Green State Park. You know why we here? Hiking While Black. See you at the top. Let's go. Nice little waterfall. What you think about this hike so far, Cory? Even though we just started.
Feeling good, looking good. Yeah, man.
So, just a quick little update about this hike, Hewitt-Butler Trail and Northern Green State Park. The fact that when you first pull into the parking lot, there's different signs that's saying that you can't park here and this and that, whatever, but it is open to the public. So me and Cory took about 10-15 minutes trying to find where to actually start the trail. We seen someone who's local in this town and said that we could park in that parking lot. So we just, trying to knock it out, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, this bridge is very shaky. They gotta come here and redo this. Do a little jumping, it might go down. Y'all, so we approached our first fork in the road of this trail. There's Winoki. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. The high point, there's another, it's a blue trail marker. You can go that way, go up, or you could go right, which is to the Hewitt-Butler, I believe, or go left. So there's many different trails in here, and one thing I will say, I don't, maybe Cory can agree, is that it's marked well, so you know where you're going.
Yeah.
And so far this trail ain't so bad. What do you think about it?
So far, so good. A lot of rocks, but so far, so good.
Nice little waterfall, right? You see a nice little waterfall there. And it's definitely, you can come here. I would probably say it's a family hike, maybe. We'll see. You still got another like mile left. I don't want to, so we got to see how it does. But Hiking While Black, see you at the top. All right, real quick. So Cory and I, we had to backtrack just a little bit when we was walking up the hill where I told you where it splits at. We was somewhat getting off the trail, and then we spotted a tree right here. See the green a little bit. So we go through here. So now we really got to go through the woods to finish this trail at Hewitt-Butler. Hopefully, that's what the map is saying. At least if I get lost a little bit, I'm out here with my guy. Oh, I'm caught. Alright, look, my man wasn't here. My homie wasn't here, I wouldn't have made it. I've been stuck. And I'm sweating already. It's like 50 degrees out. It's hot. You alright? He almost tripped. Almost got him, y'all.
Oh, baby. First hike almost went down, baby. It's part of it, though. It's part of it. Good morning.
Good morning, that's right. That'll wake you up. Good morning.
Definitely will.
I just told Cory, oh, we are going the right way. And he said, what'd you say, Cory?
I've been here before. I know what I'm doing.
Listen, he just said it's his first time in New Jersey doing a hike. Well, you know what? Maybe in a past life he did this. You know? Don't mind me, I'm just sweating terribly. Now we're at the fork in the road. You can go left, which is Mine Trail. It's a yellow trail marker, or High Point. I believe we're gonna go to High Point. That's where to go. Like I said, it splits two ways. Yeah, thought this was gonna be a nice little stroll. Yo, Cory, I thought this was gonna be a nice little stroll today.
Nothing's ever easy, baby. Nothing's ever easy.
You hear that? He said nothing ever easy, but let's go, y'all. We ain't gonna disappoint y'all. I finally got my guy with me, you know? Finally got him. Yeah. Yeah, well, you know there's bears out here. This is Jersey. Do you think they're out now, around this time?
They're out all year round.
Is that true? Are bears out all year round? Cory said yes. What do y'all think? Yeah, but oh, see, snake. Ah, I'm joking. Yeah. Listen.
All right. I'm gonna get you back.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Now, I forgot. Listen, okay. Cory's like me. We don't, listen, we from Bowman. We don't play with, listen, we don't deal with snakes.
Yeah,
at any capacity. Bar. Yeah. Yeah, my fault, Cory. My fault. Yeah. My man was high stepping like Herschel Walker. Yeah, I shouldn't have did that. Sorry. It's a nice little rock scramble here. Oh. Yeah. A few people said that this trail was easy. What you think, Cory? Think so? Easy or moderate?
Moderate.
Definitely moderate. It's hard work. Hard work. Oh, almost. Almost slipped and fell. It's all good though. Almost slipped and fell. Real foggy out here, so you can't see nothing. I'm sure it's a beautiful view at the top on a clear, sunny day. This might be more on the high, moderate, hard side. Cory, what you think? Nah?
Not hard.
All right, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit. Just a tad bit. Just a tad. But, see, I'm sweating. Drenched. But we ain't gonna quit. We ain't gonna give up. That's the important thing, right, see?
Yeah, never give up. Ever. Ever, ever.
See if we can see some kind of view.
It's at the top, but we here, baby.
We gotta come back here on a sunny day to do this trail, so we can really see the views up here. Heard that there was a lot of beautiful views. We're gonna check it out. Got about a half a mile left. Let's go. Hiking while black. All right, so
That says high point up here.
it looks like we're coming
Up here.
to the end.
We gotta go up here.
Oh, we gotta go up here? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's just crazy. Not crazy, but when we say crazy, that can mean many of things. My heart racing. One, because of the heights. Two, because Cory just seen some gigantic bird. I don't even know what it is. I seen the head of it though. It's still there? Just our luck. It's like that? Where the bird at? Okay, y'all. Here at the top. Oh, all right, good.
He's Looking for some food.
Oh. Alright,
Yeah, he
it's like
real
it's like a vulture. Okay, nah, it looked ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. It looked like something.
I'm like, oh,
It's like one of them, you know,
the turkey was
pterodactyls, you know, like one of them one of them extinct dinosaur type of birds. But we had the top, y'all. Made it. I'm gonna show you guys the view real quick. What do you think? Well, let me show the view real quick. Hold on. Show the view, somewhat of a view. It's foggy out. Trust me, y'all. This hike, this view is definitely worth it. I could just tell it, even though I can't see it. I could tell it. But what do you think about this hike so far, Cory?
definitely a workout. I wouldn't recommend coming if it's wet. If it's wet, you can possibly slide. So
Yeah, like I did. We ain't gonna put that part in, but you know.
Other than that, definitely a great workout. Definitely a great hike. I'm glad we did it.
Yo, Hewitt-Butler Trail, Northern Green State Park. We did it. Another hike in the books. Check it off on our list. See you guys at the next hike. Hiking while black. Peace.